Does YouTube TV work internationally? No. YouTube TV is not available internationally. It is only accessible within the United States. Now, while YouTube TV is restricted to the US, you can use a virtual private network, a VPN, to access it from abroad. Here's how. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN provider with robust US servers and strong streaming capabilities. NordVPN is a recommended option. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Most providers support platforms like Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. This will assign you a US IP address. Step number 4, access YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website or open the app. You should now be able to sign in and stream content as if you were in the US. Important considerations. Terms of service. Using a VPN may violate YouTube TV's terms of service. Proceed with caution, as accounts could face suspension. Payment method. Subscribing to YouTube TV requires a US-based payment method. Ensure you have one to complete the subscription process. VPN detection. Some VPNs are blocked by streaming services. If you encounter issues, try connecting to a different US server or use a more reliable VPN.